Hey cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing y'all my new press-on nail journey. I just recently started these press-on nail journey because as you can see, my nails, man, look at my nails. And it's been almost 3 months now since this quarantine shit, and my nails look horrible. I still haven't recovered from the acrylic. So I've decided to, get into the press-ons because I see it's trending now. This company is called Selfnailed. I purchased this on May the 17th. And this style is called Treasure Large Stiletto. I had it customized because as you can see, my fingers aren't normal size. These little fat fingers. Normal size where, boo? Where? So I had to customize mine. I'm not a small, I'm not a medium, I'm not a large. I'm not even an extra large. So I can tell you something. So I paid $9.99 for the prep kit and $35 for these nails. So let me just open them just to cut the chase. Like, look, they just shining. Look. I'm so in love with these. Like I said, I paid $35 for these, customized to fit my nails, my fingernails. So yeah, these are so freaking. I used to wear press-on nails when I was a kid. To go buy the little cheap press-on nails and never look like these. But hey, back at it, and I'm thinking I'm gonna stick to press-on nails. Like, if they're gonna look like this, but girl, why do I need to get acrylic again? She is very artistic. She's bad. If she do press-on nails like this, you can imagine her acrylics. Oh my gosh, she is so good. And I think she's a black owned. It's a black owned company. And she does it herself. And shipping was really fast, guys. Super fast. These are the items that came in the prep kit. Actually, it came with a user guide manual. I guess I got a coupon code on my next purchase. Selfnailed, glamorous and luxurious press-on nails. Info at selfnailed.com and these little things. And then I get a little 10% off code of my next purchase. I also get a nail glue, came in for $9.99. I hope this works, because Jesus, it better work. I also get some stickies, some nail stickers. I'm going to try these out first with the nail stickers. I'm not going to use the glue because I want my things last reusable, so I go, reuse them again. I'm not going to do the glue now. I'm going to try with the nail sticks until I run out. I thought I would have received a file in this kit, but actually I didn't receive any file, but I got a buffer. It's okay. An alcohol swab, and that's basically, oh, hold on. Cuticle pusher. I totally forgot. I also got to receive a cuticle pusher, which is cute, okay? And it came in this little bag. So yeah, that's it, guys. I really love my nails. Like, one more look for y'all. I just want y'all to look at it. Enjoy it. I can't wait to put these on Monday. Oh my gosh. I love it. So check out Selfnailed and, support the lady. And I hope y'all enjoyed my journey on the new press-ons. I'm going to start on a collection. Trust me. Y'all can see more of these. Shit. Later. I look at you.